Have you ever wondered what are the pros and cons to a beginner courier, independent courier person, driver, business person, entrepreneur? In this video, I discuss my top 5 pros and cons to getting in this field, and maybe it will give you a better assessment as to, is this really for me? That's the main question, right? Hey everyone, what's up? This is Gilson Vergara back again with another video. This is Do My Life, a channel for entrepreneurs who are into the healthy tech and automotive lifestyle, and of course trying to make some money, side hustles, passive income, things like that. If this is you or that is you, please do not hesitate to gently hit the subscribe button and tap the like button as well. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to express straight up off the top of my head my top 5 of running this particular business for 1 month. And I wanted to just change the setting up a little bit. These are my top 5 pros to being an independent courier. 1 is the freedom that you have. You literally have a lot of freedom. Like right now, it's about almost 11 o'clock. I'm just here waiting for work. And I know I have the freedom, which is going to be my point 2, the freedom to pretty much do whatever I want. Like I can reject jobs, I can just do the jobs. Time is so valuable, and I use this time to make videos like this to help you guys out, to do other admin stuff, to do so many things. That's one pro that's an amazing and it's a super pro, that you have time. 2 is the freedom because of that time. Freedom to do whatever you want, freedom to, like I said, acknowledge jobs, take jobs, whatever. And you are a 1099 worker. Technically, you are a free agent. You can move around pretty much wherever you want, wherever the contractual jobs are. That's freedom right there. That's literally putting yourself in the best position that you want to be in. And at the end of the day, you hold yourself accountable to your decisions. And 3 has to be you're helping people. So here's a short video of me during my run. Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video, part of a bigger video, as to some pros to doing this job, being a courier. You never know what you're carrying, but from time to time, depending on the contract that or company you sign up with that does various types of contracts, what contracts they do. Sometimes you become a medical courier as well as a traditional courier that does documents. And from starting till now, I have done mostly medical. I've done a little bit, like one-time food, and a lot of documents, and some computer parts for like 7-Elevens and things like that. But today is one of those days where it's like, wow, you kind of have this good feeling about yourself that you're helping somebody out, because back here, it's human tissue. Going to I guess a facility, and I feel good because I know it's going to help somebody. So, I guess those are some perks I just wanted to share with you as far as being a courier. You feel good about the things that you do, because it goes beyond the money and things like that. For me, it does, at least. And I just want to share that with you as things that you can deliver from time to time. So, bye. 4. You're running your own business. That's one thing that I've always gravitated towards. That's a pro, because you control your destiny. You control, literally, you cannot blame anyone for your actions anymore. You are running your business. I like that pressure. It is depressing from time to time, because it is what it is. It's not my first, it is not my first, what I want to say, it's not my first, It's not my first time around the block, as they say, but running a business, in essence, is pretty much the best feeling for me. It is tough, but it's a pro for me, because I like running businesses. And 5 for me would have to be you have the opportunity to make money, a good amount of it. So because of that time, because of that freedom, you're getting write-offs, certain things that you can do with taxes. Start investing and things like that. And for me, that's great, because I can just start flipping this money around Whatever, you know, I'm not shooting dreams at you, okay? I'm not blowing smoke up your butt. It's not going to be easy, but you have an opportunity, and you can do that with a career as well, whatever. But at least I can kind of control my end here when it comes to write-off and things like that. That's what I've been doing for a while with other things, but now I'm just putting my roots into America when it comes to running businesses, things like that. So it's pretty exciting for me. I don't know how you feel about those 5 points. I probably missed a few, or all I'm saying is it's the pros that I have in my life. Comment down below what pros you have on running your personal business. My 5 cons to getting into the courier business is: 1 is your time. If you are not willing to give up as much time as you can, and this goes on for any business, sacrifice that time, because now you are not leveraging your time for an hourly rate or salary. It's all you, 1099. No excuses. If you are not willing to leverage that time, this might not be for you. 2, startup capital or startup necessities. You do need a vehicle. Unless you want to spend extra money renting a vehicle at Enterprise, Penske, or Avis, or Budget Rent-A-Car, whatever, any of those things, a reliable vehicle. That's probably the biggest startup expense, right? 3 would be the other startup expense, as in extra money on the side to make sure that if you don't have any savings, you can withstand a few weeks, a few months of just chilling, bare minimum, just trying to survive pretty much, and pushing forward to have that consistency and things like that. 4 would have to be you are in all of the elements. If you are an office person, this might not be for you. You are, when I say elements, you're not really walking and whatever in the elements. I'm talking about driving. Depending on where you are in America, all depends. If it's a snowy area and you're a courier, you have to do pretty much drive through it, be safe. If you are, I'm gonna show some videos of us driving in the rain, heavy rain. You gotta go through that, almost like, you know, a mailman, because you are charged to deliver this particular product at a decent time. A lot of responsibility there. And number 5, my segue into, you know, responsibility, accountability, and things like that. You have to hold yourself to a high accountability. You understand that there's a lot of responsibility now on your plate. You're running your own business. You do have the time and the freedom, right? However, how useful are you going to use that time? How useful are you going to be with your time, right? That's 1. How accountable are you going to be when things mess up? It's all your fault. It's the same core principles of running a business, being an entrepreneur, but in this setting as an independent courier, you're pretty much on your own. You do have your dispatcher to help you with directions if you're new to that industry and field and things like that. That's there already. However, hold yourself to high accountability. Understand that if you are lazy and you're not a go-getter or self-starter and things like that, this is not going to be for you. You might as well stay where you are right now, because understand that you are on your own essentially. You are an entrepreneur. You are a sole proprietor for the majority of us, or just you're on your own. Those are my 5 cons off the top of my head that I have experienced, and I didn't want to make a list or script it because I wanted it to be as pure as possible. So I hope you like those top 5 pros and cons, my top 5 pros and cons. If it resonates with you, comment down below. And if I missed anything, comment down below as well, because it will be a great value for those of you or us who want to get into this particular business, who are in this business, and especially for those of you who have been doing this for a long time, bestow your knowledge on the comments down below. Independent couriers are pretty much like DoorDash, Uber, Lyft, what I do, medical courier, all those things, right? So comment down below. I would love to see everybody build that community up to be a source of knowledge and wisdom. Once again, this is Gilson Vergara with Doing My Life. I really appreciate your time and your effort in watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.